Hello everyone, my name is Monal and today I'm going to talk about credit cards. What about credit cards? Recently you would have found a lot of videos about credit cards, its uses, its pros and cons on YouTube. But with this video, I'll keep it very short and sweet. This video is for those who would not spend the money that they don't have. What do I mean by that? To simply put it, if you can use your credit card as a debit card, only then buy or take a credit card. So, what do I mean by that? If you want to buy something which is, let's say, worth 100 rupees, you would only buy that thing if you have the 100 rupees in your bank account. Simple. You know, spend the 100 rupees on your card if you have the 100 rupees in your bank account. And if you don't, then don't spend it. Credit cards have a lot of benefits. A lot of cards offer wide variety of cashbacks and rewards, which would help you a lot in earning cashbacks. Typically, most of the cards would give you anywhere between 0.5 to up to 5% cashback on your spendings. So let's say if you have an ICICI Bank Amazon Pay card, whatever shopping you do on Amazon, 5% flat cashback. Similarly, there is an Axis Bank Flipkart card. Whatever shopping you do on Flipkart, 5% cashback. So let's say you buy a thing worth rupees 100, 5 rupees is the cashback. That's a 5 rupee discount. That's a very big amount. So credit cards do have a lot of pros, but they have even worse cons. If you are not able to pay your credit card dues in time, then the charges, the interest levied varies from 2% to 4% per month, depending on which card you have taken. So, this is a request. If you want to take a credit card, then use it as a debit card. Do whatever expense you can on the card, but make sure that you have the money in your bank account so whenever the bill is generated, you can pay the bill with that money. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I wanted to keep it very short and sweet. If you like this video, do subscribe and like this video. It'll help me create new videos. Thank you so much.